BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
They're gonna pick me first because I'm the best. No, they won't. They will pick me first.
You two are both wrong. I'm sure they will pick me first.
Huh? Someone's coming.
Which one should I pick?
Here I am, the yummy hamburger. Look at my patty, it looks so good. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy hamburger is ready to go.
Wow, the hamburger looks good. I want to have the hamburger. Look at the patty, it looks so good. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy hamburger, please come out.
Here I am, the yummy French fries. I'm so crispy and I smell great. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy French fries are ready to go.
French fries! I love them! I want to have the yummy French fries. They look so crispy and they smell great. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy French fries, please come out.
Here I am, the yummy orange juice. I'm so fresh and I'm so sweet. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy orange juice is ready to go.
I'll have the orange juice too. I want to have the yummy juice. It looks so fresh and it looks so sweet. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy orange juice, please come out. Look, I have lots of yummy food.
Hi!
Search BabyBus on YouTube.